Alright, this is conclusions for the roller coaster with the Marble Lab. I'm going to read these questions and answer them. Alright. What physics concepts concepts are important when determining the speed of a marble at different parts of the roller coaster? Well, of course, I think it's the momentum. If you have enough momentum, you have enough speed and weight to go at different parts of the roller coaster. That's it. Second question. How is it possible to calculate the speed at any point of the roller coaster using a physics concepts? You can use any of these, like their formulas to determine the speed, especially if you have it at a defined height in which you want to use it at, and the weight of the marble along with the time. That's it. Alright. Third question. Friction is a reality of our world. What possible effect on the speed of the marble could friction have during the lab? Friction of the paper that we made the little track out of can affect the marble and also if you didn't bend it right. If it was too sharp of a turn, the marble wasn't going to make it. So all that friction that could have, either helped your marble or, allowed it not to finish the entire track. Did the marble make it down the roller coaster? Yes, it did. We made a little ramp, so it kind of jumped off and landed in this little box, which is pretty cool. So yes, it did. What would you say the strengths and weaknesses of our design? During the beginning of the lab, there was weaknesses. It was too sharp of turns for the marble to make it up, or wouldn't finish. Those were weaknesses. However, we did fix those. Time was also a factor in this thing because we only had one class period to make it, so that was a big factor in the way we made our roller coaster. If you had to do it over again, what would you do differently? If I had enough time, I would have made it much cooler. I would have put a lot of more little loops and twists, corkscrews, all that stuff into the design of the roller coaster. That's what I would have did. Overall, what do you think what do you think of the marble? It's pretty cool. I like how it took only one class to do it. It doesn't really take like 2 weeks or anything. I thought it was really fun. It kept me busy throughout the entire class, so I like the lab.